Today is September 13th, and this is your agenda for today. When you come in, you're going to get back into those same groups that I put you in yesterday. You're going to finish up your close read, which is pretty much that white paper with the article on physical and chemical changes. And then you're supposed to finish the pink paper with the text-dependent questions. And once you do that, the game plan is to go over your answers just to make sure that everybody's getting the gist of the differences between physical and chemical changes. Then we're going to go straight into a demo. And in this demo, I'm going to mix two substances. And I want you to look at the substances and tell me, once they are mixed, whether or not a physical or chemical change has occurred. And not only that, I want you also to use evidence to support whatever position you take. Once you wrap up with that, I will go over what we should have and why. Then we're going to wrap up the day. We'll have about 20 minutes to spare, and I wanted to take the time out since today is International Dot Day. I wanted to take the time out to do something a little different and still kind of review and reinforce some of the concepts that we have learned so far since the starting of school. So you're going to get into new groups for this particular activity. I'm going to allow you to work with the 3 other people that you would like to complete this activity with. And I'm going to give you some construction paper, and you guys are going to try and come up with as many concepts that you've learned regarding the states of matter, physical and chemical properties, physical and chemical changes, and the law of conservation of matter. So even though we're moving on, we're still trying to hit some of these old concepts to kind of see the connection with everything. So you're going to, as you come up with your idea, your facts, then you're going to also make circles with the construction paper and put one fact on each circle. And then you'll cut them out, and then I'm going to make a huge circle for you to glue the color construction paper onto. And then we'll take some time out to share what we've done before the week is out. So that is our game plan for today. Just a reminder that tomorrow is early release, so you want to make sure that you've made arrangements in terms of how you're going to get home. Since classes are going to be a little bit shorter, I've done a little bit of some shuffling for the things that we're going to learn. I'm going to move our lab to later in the week, but just stay tuned. All right, so that is again your agenda for today.